My name is Chad Carline, and I'm the Sustainability Manager for East Carolina University. People often ask me, what is sustainability, or what do you do for your job? Sustainability includes everything from energy and water conservation, waste reduction and recycling, transportation, food and dining, how we manage our grounds, and so much more. One of the newer initiatives that we've been working on the past couple of years is hosting faculty workshops on integrating sustainability in the curriculum. These faculty workshops were modeled after the Piedmont Project at Emory University, which has been going on since the early 2000s. The idea behind the workshop is that we'll expose faculty from a variety of disciplines to sustainability concepts, challenges, as well as solutions. Faculty who participate in these workshops go on tours around campus learning about stormwater management, as well as take a hike on our tree trail. They also get presentations from experts on how to integrate sustainability into their curriculum, as well as what we're doing with the ECU Sustainability program right here on campus. By the end of it, they should feel empowered to incorporate sustainability into their own classes, whether it's public health, English, interior design, biology, construction management, or many other disciplines. Participants who submit a revised syllabus after participating in the workshop receive a $400 stipend to help offset childcare costs or any other costs associated with participating in the workshop. The ECU Sustainability program also works a lot with student organizations. Just to name a few, we have Eco Pirates, Sustainabilities, Relief ECU chapter, Planet ECU, as well as Pirate Swap. All of these student organizations do wonderful work to try and reduce the environmental impacts of ECU. Our students are very passionate about sustainability. Each year varies in terms of the level of involvement, but we do have a lot of students that reach out to us wanting to better understand the challenges that we're trying to solve. We've had a number of faculty who participated in the workshop that really wanted to take it a step further, and they've gone above and beyond by encouraging and incentivizing their students to get involved with the ECU Sustainability program. We've been fortunate to have support from the Provost's office to host our first two faculty workshops, and we look forward to continuing to host these in the future. Get involved with the sustainability program, and we can give you lots of tips about how to live sustainably on or off campus.